Hi, my name is Arne Trom. Today I would like to demonstrate to you and show you how easy it is to install the HiWatch NVR series together with two cameras connected to your monitor. I will explain what you need and how to do it. First thing we'll do is to prepare the NVR. We open the box. What you can find inside is the information you need, the quick start guide, the NVR itself with the connections on the back. We're going to explain later. Connections on the back. We have a power supply, a mouse to control the NVR, connection cable for the power, a network cable, and we need to install a hard drive. So this is the SATA cable and the power cable for the hard drive. So this is what we will need to make the NVR operational. The power supply and power cable, the cables to connect the third-party hard drive inside of the NVR. I will explain and show you how later on. The mouse to control the NVR, a network cable, and a small screwdriver to open up the case of the NVR. This is how we can install the hard drive inside of the NVR. We have 4 screws that we need to dismount on the back of the NVR, and we have 1 screw on this side. So let's start. On the back of the hard drive, we can find 4 screws that need to be attached. And if you just do it a little, like this, you can grab the hard drive and put it in the slot of the NVR. Now we can turn it around. And connect the hard drive. Now we need to connect the hard drive to the main board. SATA cable that's supplied. We can close the case in the opposite way. There's a slider inside here that goes over the metal plate. You need to be a little bit precise, and then slides over again. You can double check if it's correctly done. Now we can put the screws back in. Now the NVR is ready to use. Now we are ready to prepare and install the cameras. What we need is additional IP cable to connect it to the NVR. Let's unbox the cameras first and let's see what's inside. We will start with the turned camera. Opening the camera. You can find information about the camera, the quick start guide, the user guide, the drill plate that we need to install the camera, inside of a box you can find the camera, And the last piece that we get out of the box is the water sealing for the IP cable and the connection screws to mount the camera to the wall. When we open the camera, we have three parts. The first part that we will need is the bracket. To install the bracket, we have the drill plate, and the holes of the drill plate are corresponding with the holes inside of the mounting plate. We can install this one on the ceiling or the wall. If we are going to use the camera outside, we need to make sure that the connection of the IP is waterproof. Therefore, we need to connect and mount the O-ring on the connector, connect the IP cable, close the housing, and close the last part. Now the connection is waterproof and the camera is ready to use outside. In this case we're using a PoE NVR, so we're not using the 12 volt DC power input. It also has this water sealing, so if you don't need it, make sure it's closed. For our mini bullet camera, let's unbox it. Inside we can find a quick guide, a drill plate also, and a quick start guide. We take the camera out. To install the camera, you need to use the drill plate with the supported screws and a screwdriver to adjust the angle of the camera. Now that we have prepared everything, we installed the NVR, we installed the cameras, we can connect it all together. First we're going to connect the cameras. There are 4 PoE positions on the NVR. We connect the USB mouse, the internet cable to connect the NVR to the internet to use the Hik-Connect on the app application. We install the HDMI cable that is connected to your monitor. After this we are ready to put on the power and the NVR will boot up. After we activated the system, we need to follow the wizard and apply all the settings that we need. Set the password, the network settings, make sure it's on DHCP if you want to connect it to your local network, and if you want to connect to the internet connection, DHCP is preferred. If you want to connect it to the Hik-Connect, please enable this. And you need to set a verification code. After we have done these settings, we are ready to connect to Hik-Connect. We go to Configuration, Network Settings. Be sure the system is on DHCP and the DNS is enabled. Go to Platform Access, enable this, verification code, and as you can see it's online. Now use the QR code to connect to the Hik-Connect. So this is my phone. Press the plus, put it on the screen, apply this. It takes several seconds, and your phone should also be connected to the internet. After you've done this, you press execute. Now as you can see, the device is online. So now we have finished the basic installation of our HiWatch product. Now we are able to watch it live on the local monitor or on the mobile phone, anywhere that you're connected to internet. Thank you for watching. Until next time.